Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got your Freebie Monday watch faces and they're all nice. Now you can locate these watch faces on the homepage of the Gear Manager store. They're free for the taking and they're probably going to be for a limited time only. So make sure you download right after the video. Now we got 5 in all, right? We got 3 by Sam's Watch and they all look good, and we got 2 of them that's going to be by SSOM, and SSOM always gets down on some awesome looking watch faces. But with that being said, let's check it out. We're going to start off with number 1. I have to tell you that I like number 1. It's called Sam Watch Digital Roll. It's nice. I like it. I like the colors. I like the setup. You get your date, heart rate information, step status info. And that dial to the right looks really good. You get a realistic moon phase down at the bottom along with the battery life. And overall, for a digital watch face, this is a nice everyday digital watch face. Now down at the bottom you can see, well, you're going to get like 8 different color themes that you can customize to. And this is what it's going to look like. Not bad at all. It seems as though the digital time is very legible as well. I'm thinking Sam's Watch did a great job on this watch face. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now number 2 is another Sam's Watch called Sam Watch Analog Beta. And again, I thought he did a good job with this one as well. Now this has more of an elegant look to me so far as the watch face is concerned. A nice analog look. And if you look down at the bottom, you are going to get like 5 more different colors, so probably 6 in all. It shows you the always on display to the right. But the dials, the hands, the overall watch face screams premium to me in my opinion. But this is what it's going to look like once you download it and you choose the color that you would like to have. Now one thing I do like is a white watch face, because daytime is good for a white watch face. Now this peach one doesn't look bad for the rose gold. If you ladies got the rose gold, or you guys, this is probably going to tie into that color very well. But I'm thinking he did a great job. Now this is always on display. Looks really nice. I like the detail. I like how it stands out in the AOD mode. Now let's check out watch face number 3 really quick. This one is going to be by SSOM, and it's called SSOM Green Neon. All right, but let's take a look at it. Now up at the top you're going to get digital time, you're going to get your month, your date, floors climb, all your step status info. It's going to be right up under the time, and it seems as though you're going to get shortcuts as well along with your battery percentage and your goal completed down at the bottom. This is another good look by SSOM, and he always brings the noise so far as watch faces are concerned. Now this is going to be your always on display, which looks pretty good. The time seems to be a little bit brighter than all your info that's going to be in the background. For the gears too, still looks nice, people. Again, my man SSOM did a great job on this watch face. Now watch face number 4 I kind of like. I don't know if I download all of these. I think I download 2 or 3. They're all good, but this one stands out. Very different, very unique. Also you get your battery percentage, you get your date in a unique type of dial, you get the step status over to the right. Battery percentage, not bad, not a bad look by SSOM. I thought he did excellent with this, and yeah, this would be one that I download. Now this would be the always on display for the Gears 3, and this would be the always on display for the Gears 2. Not a bad look, people, not a bad look. Now last but not least, Sam's Watch World ADA. Now this one is different from the ones he has made before, and this one is pretty pricey. I think this one will cost $9 if you don't download it today, so we want to thank him for the opportunity for a free download for such a watch face. But you got the world theme in the background. It's an analog watch face. You got a nice moon phase. Of course you get your date, your day. I'm liking the look of this one, and it seems as though you're going to get about 8 different color things that, well, not color things for the whole watch face, but more so for the second hand that you're going to be able to customize the color to. And as you can see going around the bezel of the watch, you got different countries there as well. Geneva is there. I'm liking it. It's different. Of course, this screams Sam's Watch all day long. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to get through this really quick, so therefore you can see what you're getting into when you download these watch faces. I hope you're enjoying your Monday. Remember, people, you got to grind hard so the day will end really, really soon. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.